Hi, here I would like to introduce the work I've done in order to enable the DisplayLink based second screen display from USB to video. As you can see here that I have connected a USB connector here to the computer and extend the screen to this small 6 inches small screen here. And in the main screen, you can see that I have several Linux-based operating systems. In particular, you can notice that we have 6.5 CentOS and 5.10 CentOS and SuSE11. They are not so trivial in order to enable the DisplayLink drivers directly. So that I would like to demonstrate that how it works. We can have the second screen on these three operating systems. First, let's boot into the 6.5 operating system, and let's wait for a moment, and we can see that it's booting, and the second screen is entitled black and turn into green. That means its driver, the DisplayLink driver USB that's enabled, and let's wait for it after it's completely booted. Okay, now I would like to show how the DisplayLink driver works on CentOS 6.5. As you can see that here is the the CentOS 6.5 version, and of course it is live and working, but as you can tell that the main screen here is working, but we have nothing in the DisplayLink screen except it's blanking. Now I will bring it back, bring it working by simply using the starting another exception, so that we can have a working Windows on the main S window, and then move the cursor to the right. You can see that it enters here, and now we can working here by doing something here, and move back to this screen, and move right to this screen, and again. Okay, now I will show you how it works on the CentOS 5.10. As you see, the version here, and we can see from here that it's a CentOS operating system, and its release is 5.10. Okay, now to start with, I will load the DisplayLink driver. As you see that it's completely blank here, and right now I will load the module. After loading the module, you can see that the screen becomes green, but nothing happened here because that it cannot be loaded automatically by the system, so that we need to manually start the X server on the second screen. Now we will start. Okay, so you see that the second screen is started, and you can see that the main screen that it is still working, so that we can do an operation here. We can move the window around, and now as you see, the mouse cursor, when you move to the boundary, you enter into the second screen, and we can do an operation here, and we can open a new small terminal, genome terminal, and we move back to the main screen here. And now you can see that we have both screens working at the same time, and we move the window in the main screen and move mouse to the smaller second screen, and we can move again and move back. Yes, now you can see how it works. It really works, as we have two separate independent working as window working on the CentOS now. Okay, now I want to show you that how the DisplayLink video connector, how it works on the SuSE Linux SuSE11, as you can see here, and the style and its working style, typical, not the CentOS others. It's a special SuSE way. Okay, now as you can see that the screen here, it is still in green, so that means that the DisplayLink driver, it has been loaded but not functional yet. So right now I will start it by doing this way. As you can see the sound, and see that it just bring up. And after bring up, you can see that the main screen certainly still works. And I move the mouse over to the screen boundary, and it moves into the second screen. And I can certainly doing the normal screen as operation here. And then I want to move the mouse back to the main screen, so I move to the boundary and go back to here, and then we can continue. Then you can see that I can move the screen here and move the screen here, and again and again. Yeah, that's it. SuSE11 works.